Hello, everyone. Welcome to Yoga Upload. I'm Maris Aylward. Today, I am excited to share with you that I've launched my new mobile app and membership site, Yoga Upload Plus. That's yogauploadplus.com. The mobile app is available for all devices, iPhones, iPads, Android phones, and tablets, and I will show you in a little bit what's on the app and how it works. So, what's the difference between being a member on Yoga Upload Plus versus simply watching my free yoga videos here on YouTube? Well, first of all, Yoga Upload Plus has everything that's on my YouTube channel plus more, a lot more. On Yoga Upload Plus, you'll find exclusive content that I do not post here on YouTube. Exclusive yoga classes, programs, challenges. It also makes your practice so much easier and more accessible. Just the tap of a button and you're ready to practice. No distractions from other YouTube videos or YouTube ads. So once you become a member and you've downloaded the app on your phone, all you have to do is to tap the Yoga Upload logo icon right there, and it takes you right to the content, the catalog of all of the videos. This is a highly organized catalog. You'll see your new releases and your exclusive yoga challenges, programs, exclusive yoga videos. You'll also find all the different categories like vinyasa, yin, wrist-free, gentle, etc., etc. So first, let's go to the exclusive yoga videos right here. These are yoga classes that I do not post on YouTube. And right now I have over 70 exclusive yoga videos and I add more each month. So these exclusive yoga videos, these are mostly my longer yoga classes. 30 minutes, 45 minutes, 60-minute yoga videos are mostly here on Yoga Upload Plus. Now let's go to the exclusive yoga challenges. These challenges have daily yoga classes to help keep you consistent in your practice. How many times have you said to yourself, okay, I'm going to practice today, I have 30 minutes, and then you waste 10 to 15 minutes trying to decide which class to do? So with a yoga challenge, no more wasting time deciding which class to do. I've already chosen the classes for you, what you're going to do every day, and I sequence them in a way that makes sense. Now, there are different kinds of yoga challenges. I have some 14 days, 30 days, 21 days, 30 minutes for 30 days yoga challenge. I also have this 14-day morning and evening yoga challenge. That's just 10 to 20 minutes. So really, there is something for everyone depending on what you're looking for. The next thing I want to show you are the yoga programs. And these programs are designed to take your yoga skills to the next level. You build on your progress with each week. So, for example, I have a 6-week flexibility and mobility yoga program. So each week you'll make progress. There's also a 5-week better balance one. There's some strength yoga programs. I also have a 4-week stress relief yoga program. So again, there is something for you depending on what you're looking for and what you need. Now I have over 200 yoga videos in this catalog. How do you find what you need? It's very easy. You can filter the yoga videos. So this is a big difference here between Yoga Upload Plus and YouTube, because here you can filter. Just click that search icon. You can type on the search bar just whatever class you're looking for and all of the options will show up, or you can use the filters. I have category. That's vinyasa, yin, wrist-free, seated only, standing only, all of that. I also filter by duration, the length of the class, level of the class, purpose, and focus. So it's very, very easy to find what you're looking for. Another great thing about having the Yoga Upload Plus mobile app is you can download videos for offline viewing. So this is perfect for traveling, or if you cannot or do not want to use internet connection, you can download a video and you can watch it without the internet. So here, once you can go to any video, download it, and go to your account. There is a downloads list over here, and you'll find all of your downloaded yoga videos. Other things you can do on the app is to make your own playlists, have your own favorites list, and be part of the community. There is a community tab right there. The community page is a great way to connect with me directly and to also connect with other members of Yoga Upload Plus. So here I post news and updates. Now you as a member can also post your own news and updates on here. Now, what if you don't like practicing yoga on your phone or your tablet? That is okay. You can still use the website yogauploadplus.com. It is the same membership and you get access to all of the same content. Best thing about all this is you can try this risk-free. There is a free 14-day trial so you can test it out and see if it's right for you. There is a link in the description box below so you can sign up for your free trial. I take you through it step by step. It is very easy. If you have any questions, please write it in the comments below. And I also have a link to my FAQ page and my contact information in the description box below. I'm here to help you out. So please check it out. Thank you so much, everyone. I'm looking forward to having you as a member on Yoga Upload Plus. Bye.